Am I flashing red?
You are. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Fantastic.
All right, check it out. What a beautiful day today.
Everybody's been waiting for a beautiful day like this. Everybody's got to get out and get some fresh air.
Some fresh air, right.
You know, after being in lockdown for so long, this is like a breath of fresh air for everybody. Everybody. Terrace is in their third lockdown. I was talking to a client and yeah, they're really rough shape.
Where?
In Paris, France.
Oh. Is that Tracy sitting there? Covered in green?
I don't know.
Smoking a pipe? Maybe not.
No, it's not Tracy.
He says you're too clean.
Come on!
Alright, let's go.
Nice seeing you, Mike. You got it. You got it.
No.
My bike feels so comfortable now.
Why not?
Light setting, front, no shock.
Oh, you took
Stoppers.
Oh, you took them off?
Took the shock stoppers off. Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Toyota power.
Oh, look at that bad
Oh
boy.
yeah. All right, go boys.
Let's go.
Go.
Everybody's present, Georgie?
I'm present, right behind you. Don't worry, keep them going. Oh, I think I'm going to be Noel. Noel's out of control.
Out of control. Give her!
Buddy, I think you're slowing down Noel here.
Oh, geez, we gotta warm up a little, you know? There we go.
1 second here. Okay. It's funny, you know, Noel, I wish he had a mic so he could participate in this conversation.
Yeah, really.
But before you gave, he's like, yeah, no, I'm going to keep it really light today. I'm going to keep it really, oh my God. It is dry.
Yeah, it's pretty. I've never seen it like this. Really comfortable.
Well, you know, Mike said it's really muddy out there, so I think the mud is waiting for us.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. I don't know where I'm going. It's dry for now.
Yeah, go look back here. It looks like perfect. Go forward! Forward shot!
What?
I got forward. Atta boy! Get it out like a champ.
Okay.
Only like a Ford.
Well, I gotta stop recording here because,
Why?
well, nothing going on. You guys,
We're right behind you, man. Oh, there's lots of action happening here. Atta boy!
keep going straight. Go straight. Oh, he's stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's stuck. He'll make it.
Maybe.
The Honda does not fail. Look, he's gonna get her out. Single axle too, eh? That's exactly like your bike.
Yeah.
Noel! Noel,
Yeah.
we gotta get you one of these.
Yeah, that'll come in handy.
Hey, you know how much fun we can have? Now I'm talking with Stavros and we're communicating and like we're only if Noel had a mic now.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. Thanks for investing.
We were saying before Stavros came,
Oh, there you go.
what were you telling me? You're gonna keep things nice and light today, right?
Oh, just, yeah.
I got some footage here of you riding nice and light.
Yeah. Don't tell my wife.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
We'll do some editing here.
Well.
Oh, that's amazing footage. Go! And a boy! My God, awesome! It's been a while. Uh-oh. Everybody's going nuts.
Alright. So you brought the batteries with you?
I did.
Crap. Holy shit!
I feel like I'm going sideways.
Crap.
Nice job. Good job, Ford. Go, buddy, go, go, give her! Give her! Atta boy! Good job, good, 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 good. Go, 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 work it, work it.
Work it, work it.
That's
Oh,
it,
come on.
that's it, that's it.
Woo.
That's the Ford for you, buddy. Are you going? Go,
Nice.
Noel! Uh-oh!
Oh, look
Go.
at him. He's like this.
Oh my God, good job!
This is the
Good
stage you're going
job!
into two-wheel
Oh
drive.
my God.
Oh, is that what happened? You were in two-wheel? Nice, you still got out.
I was in four-wheel drive after I was stuck.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, let's go.
All right, good job.
What's going on over here? Somebody's stuck?
Oh. We're here for the rescue. Don't worry. Good job. Nice.
Holy shit!
Nice, let's go.
That
Good.
is deep. Whoa!
Oh my God. Oh, and I think that's the... Coming here, I was following this guy. Remember that truck that was carrying these two ATVs that were so brilliant and bright?
Yeah. It's this red
that,
one?
that was it.
Holy
Not so bright anymore.
Are you guys good? Are you guys good? Alright, man.
I think I actually want to see this. Cool. Let's do this. That's it. Fantastic. Noel!
I don't know, that might be a little bit deeper than I'm ready.
Yeah, totally.
Oh!
Okay, let's go.
Oh, no, right there. Hey, tell them this is where you got your fingers cut.
Yeah, no. Okay, back it up, Fort. Back it up.
Oh, he's gonna go. He's gonna go. He's gonna keep going. He's gonna just go slowly. Get his exercise.
Get his exercise today, eh? It's bottomed out, that's the thing.
Oh, that's it. Oh.
Oh, that's why you work it side to side, because you're bottoming out. You're sticking yourself out, right?
Yeah, and here's our ramp.
Yeah.
Right here, George. This is our jump.
That's our jump.
Right here.
Here we go. All right, Sal. All right. Sal, you got me?
Got you.
No, are you recording?
I am recording. Are you ready?
Are you looking at me?
No.
Behind you?
Okay, go.
All right.
Slow down.
You like that? Is he done? What do you think?
Dropping the water.
Good to know the thing or two. Did you record it on Climb Warp?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Go for it.
Times 4? No. I hope not. I could do that pose.
Are you gonna pull out your winch?
No, not me. I'm like a 350. What am I gonna do? There you go.
You want to get a winch? You want to get the winch out?
Oh, good boy. Good job, Ford.
He's working up an appetite, that's for sure. Unbelievable.
Well, and that, folks, Honda.
Honda confidence, reliability, power, and durability. Let's go. Honda, we expect a Rubicon delivered to our address in the next month. Thank you. Good job.
Father,
Look behind you.
That's crazy. I would say no.
Oh, we got Ford here.
Yeah, that's too deep.
What do you think?
I would say no. That's it. That's that.
I don't know. I have faith in Ford.
Not this one.
I think you're gonna learn a thing or two today.
Hey crap, I can't touch the bottom.
He's making it through rather well.
Get in there, George.
Yeah, I cannot be doing this type of stuff. Ford, you wanna? Hey Ford, you want me to bring you a lunch? You're gonna certainly earn it. Boy.
That's crazy.
Oh my god, it's right at the top of his engine bay almost.
Yeah, my bike can handle that.
Oh my god, he is doing an incredible job. Oh, done. Oh.
Look at George. Oh, done. It's gonna go right in. These inches away.
Okay, you know what?
He's inches away from his breather.
Yeah. Okay, you know what? Okay, should we pause this or continue?
Well, this is what it's all about, right?
Well, listen, no. What do you think? Go back the other way?
I think so, Mark.
Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna ask you to.
Fuck.
Okay, listen. No, not you.
I lost it.
You're not allowed to touch anything here.
Looks like we're gonna be here for a while, guys.
It looks
so
like it.
I'm going to pause the video. That's
all right.
Because we're just gonna do nothing.
No, I think it's worth while taking the video.
All right, I'm gonna pause my end.
All right, there you go. You got to go to the back. Do you have the ability to get your hitch? Are you backing up?
Yeah.
Or trying to at least? Okay.
Yeah, put it on bar.
You know what I suggest? Here, let go. Here, this is what you're gonna do. We're gonna MacGyver this. You're going fishing, all right?
Yeah.
Capiche? You're gonna loop around your ball.
Oh, don't get into the thing.
Did you get it? No. Once you got it there, I'm gonna pull until it tightens, okay? You got it all the way down. You got it?
No. Well, that's how first I'll hold it?
No.
No. You'll hold it, but it might fuck up the rack.
No. Yeah, it's gonna fuck the rack up. Oh, sorry.
That's okay. We're all adults. I hope it's an
You got
adult
it?
too.
Okay. Please hold it tight, Noel.
Yep.
Just hold it tight.
Yep. You got it.
Okay, I'm gonna back up slowly until we get some tension, all right? Slowly. Hold on, Stavro. Wait. Wait.
1, 2, 3, go!
Good job, Ford! The winch worked out well.